Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into something simple yet super useful: how to star emails in Gmail. Whether you're using the Gmail app on your phone or checking your inbox on a computer, starring emails can help you quickly find important messages later without having to scroll endlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. If you're using a computer instead, just head over to Gmail in your web browser and sign into your account. Once your inbox loads, take a look at your list of messages. Now find the email you want to keep track of. It might be something from your boss, a note from a client, travel plans, or maybe a special message you don't want to lose in the shuffle. Once you've found the email, look just to the left or right of the sender's name or subject line. You'll see a small star icon. If you're on mobile, simply tap that star icon once. On desktop, click it. The star will turn yellow, showing that this email is now marked as important. That's it. You've officially starred your email. You can star as many emails as you like. Later on, if you change your mind, just tap or click the star again to remove it. It will go back to its unstarred state, and the email will no longer appear in your list of starred messages. To see all your starred emails in one place, go to the menu in the Gmail app and tap on Starred. On a computer, you'll find Starred in the left-hand sidebar. This section keeps all your starred emails organized and easy to access whenever you need them. Starring emails is one of those simple features that makes your inbox more manageable. It's a quick way to highlight the things that matter most and keep them within reach. So the next time an important message arrives, don't let it get buried. Just tap that little star and stay organized effortlessly. Thanks for watching.